Welcome to Natural Fluency.
I stand in front of the sink and wet my face with warm water. I stand in front of the sink and wet my face with warm water. I stand in front of the sink and wet my face with warm water. I apply the shaving foam evenly across my jawline. I apply the shaving foam evenly across my jawline. The cream is white and thick. The cream is white and thick. I hold the razor at the right angle for a clean shave. I hold the razor at the right angle for a clean shave. I move the razor slowly down my skin. I move the razor slowly down my skin. I rinse the blade under the tap to keep it sharp. I rinse the blade under the tap to keep it sharp. I splash some cool water on my face to close the pores. I splash some cool water on my face to close the pores. Now I look at my messy bed hair in the mirror. Now I look at my messy bed hair in the mirror. I run a comb through my hair. 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 It feels smooth and tidy. It feels smooth and tidy. I am satisfied with how I look this morning. I am satisfied with how I look this morning. I leave the bathroom and walk toward my bedroom. I leave the bathroom and walk toward my bedroom. I open the door to the closet. I open the door to the closet. I look at all the clothes hanging inside. I look at all the clothes hanging inside. I look at all the clothes hanging inside. I see a blue shirt and a black shirt. Which one do I want today? I see a blue shirt and a black shirt. Which one do I want today? I reach out and grab the blue one to check the material. I reach out and grab the blue one to check the material. This shirt feels soft and light. This shirt feels soft and light. I put it on and feel ready to start my busy day. I put it on and feel ready to start my busy day.